Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of PrestaShop sample product module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module and I'll also show you that how you can easily offer samples of various products that are available on your store. Now, let's just go to the PrestaShop back office to see configuration settings of the module. As you can see that I have already installed this module in my PrestaShop. So let's just go to the configuration part of the module directly. The configuration settings of the module consists of basically two sections. I'll cover each of the options available in each section one by one. But let's just see the options available in the first section, that is basic configuration. The first option is maximum sample product in one cart. The number of samples which you will allow your customers to buy in one time, you can set it from here. As you can see, it's set to 2. That it means that a customer won't be able to buy samples of more than 2 samples of a product in one go. If he tries to or she tries to buy samples of 3 products or 3 sample products, then they cannot proceed to checkout option. Then next is stock update on sample product order. Whether you want to update your stock on the order of a sample product or not, you can simply enable or disable that. Then next is only logged in customer can order. Let's just set it to yes to see how the guest user is shown a product page in case of it, because whenever a guest is on the shop, then he is not logged in as a customer or he doesn't have a customer account. Then whether option to buy a sample product will be available or not, let's just see by saving it first. As you can see, the buy sample button is still available on the product page, but let's just rephrase this page, and as you can see that add to cart button and sample product is also an option to buy sample product is also not available on the shop. The reason by which this add to cart button is not available is through another setting. It has no as such relation with the module, but the button to buy a sample product is not available because we have set it to yes, this option, that is only logged in customer can order. Let's just sign in once and see whether an option to buy a sample product becomes available or not. As you can see, now a button to buy a sample of the product becomes available on the product page as a customer has successfully logged in into his or her account. Now let's see other options. You can also choose to customize the button of sample product button that is available on here on the product page, that this particular button, the color of this background and text and other things. From here you can simply customize those colors with the help of these options available in the configuration settings. Now next section is global sample. This option particularly helps you to offer sample of each and every product available on your store. Let's just assume that you are willing to offer sample for each and every product on your shop. Then You need not to configure the sample product settings for each and every product one by one from the catalog section, which I'll just explain you afterwards, after this explaining this global sample, that how you can configure or you offer a sample product for each and every product from catalog section. But let's just say you are willing to offer sample product for each and every product of the shop, then you can easily do so by enabling this global sample button, and you can choose to specify a maximum number of quantity or maximum quantity of a sample product in one cart, then price type and sample button title and sample description, and save it. By choosing that, you can offer sample product for each and every product of your shop. The price type definition, I'll just explain this while explaining you the process to configure a sample product setting from the catalog section for a product. I'll just explain each of these options afterwards in the video. For now, you just need to understand by using this option you can easily offer sample product for each and every product available on your shop. Now, next thing is the new version of this module also allows a customer to buy sample of various combinations of the product too. After installing the module, the availability and the price is already configured according to their configuration from the product page, and as per the price set from the catalog section that I will just explain in the video later. For now, you only need to understand that a customer can or your customer can easily buy sample products for multiple combination. As you can see, this particular product has 4 combinations. I'll just explain you by adding a sample for 2 of these combinations. You just need to select a combination, click on this buy sample button. After that, you select another combination and click on buy sample button again. As you can see, the both products are sample product as it is signified here by this text, and the product is same but the combination is different. So you can now easily understand that your customer can easily buy multiple combinations and sample product of multiple combinations by using this module. This functionality was added in the latest version of the module. Now let's just go to the back office again to see how a sample product setting can be configured for a product from this product section. Click on the edit button, go to module section, click on the configure. Here the same settings are available. The first one is offer sample, whether you want to offer sample of this particular product or not. This setting is particularly helpful when you choose to offer certain products and sample of certain products only. If you are willing to offer samples for all of your product, then the global sample settings available in the configuration page would suffice. But in case if you are willing to offer sample products for certain number of products only, then this setting comes into play. Another thing that is a notable feature of the module, even if you are offering global sample or you have configured a global sample that you are willing to offer global or sample of each and every product of your shop, and you are also configuring this settings for some of your products from the module section, then this setting will particularly override the global sample setting for this particular Hummingbird notebook, that is this product. And the settings defined in the global sample would not work, and this particular setting will override that global sample setting. Now let's just see options available here. Whether you want to offer sample of this product or not, you can enable or disable that. Maximum quantity of the sample of this product which you are willing to allow to be bought by your customers, that you can choose from here. The product original price is available here. Now you can choose to customize the price of your sample product in basically 5 ways. Let's just see each of the option one by one. The first one is product standard price. This product standard price allows you to keep the price of sample product for this product to exactly be the price on which you are offering the product. That is, Hummingbird notebook is offered on $12.90, then the sample of this product would also be offered at $12.90. Let's just go to the product page. Let me just clear out the samples from the cart only then, because we have restricted it to 2. Now as you can see, the price is $12.90 exact standard price, hence no indication of price is available here. However, let's just add it to cart to know. As you can see in the cart page, you can easily know that the standard price, that is $12.90, is only being charged from the customer. Now let's just clear it out for further section. Next is deduct fixed amount from the price. Let's just see by deducting $2 from the product price and what just happens on the, or what changes it brings to the product price on the product page. It might just take some time to save the settings, so we'll just wait. Settings have been updated. As you can see, the $2 have been deducted from the original product price, that is $12.90. $2 was subtracted and the sample is now being offered at the price of $10.90. Tax excluded as said by here. Now let's see the another option, that is a percentage of product price. On setting the percentage of product price, this 10% amount is being deducted from the original product price. That is, the sample will now be offered at the price of $12.90 minus 10% of $12.90. That would come around I say 11 point something or 10 point something. Let's just see. $11.61. By deducting a 10% amount from the original product price, now this sample will be offered at $11.61. Now let's see next option, custom price. Using this, you can choose to offer a sample at whichever price you want. You can also choose to offer it at the price more than the original product price of the product price. But now let's just set it to 5 and see what happens on the product page. It might just take some time to save the settings. We'll just wait till that settings are updated. Now as you can see, $5 it is being offered at the price of $5. Sample is being offered at the price of $5. Now you can also choose to offer this sample as free sample by setting the price type as free sample, and your customer won't need to buy the sample of a product by paying any price. You can just place an order without paying any amount, and order will be processed. As you can see, now the sample price is $0.00. That means it is being offered free. So this was all about the process of offering any sample product, and this was about a standard product. Now let's just see how we can offer a sample product of a virtual product. In case of virtual product, firstly a customer would be able to buy a sample of virtual product only when admin has already associated a main file for the product. In case if admin has not added any main file, then he would not be getting any option to add a sample file too, as you can see here. Now let's just add any file to the main file. Add any file as a main file on the product and save it for other settings. As you can see, after refreshing the page, this option is now available here. That does this sample have an associated file? Now an admin can easily upload a sample file here, and on ordering a sample product of this virtual product, a customer would be able to download a file that was being uploaded here. He would not be able to download the main file that is being uploaded by the admin here. He will only be able to download this file when he proceeds to buy the product, not a sample of this product. But in case if a customer buys a sample, then he will be getting the file that is being uploaded by admin here. Now there is a case for this virtual product files. Say if a customer forgets to attach a file here, then it becomes very clear that he would not be getting any option to attach any file as a sample file. But let's just say if an admin has already added a file here, but he forgets to add any file as a sample file here, then in that case, if a customer tries to buy a sample product, he would not be getting any file because there was no sample file uploaded by the admin, and as per the restrictions, he would not get any or the access to the whole file just by buying the sample of this virtual product. So this was all about the configuration and workflow of the sample product module for different kinds of products like standard product, virtual product, and the keys that goes with the combinations of the product too. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.